Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to AppSec's online sport program. Textbook is Global English AppSec Edition Learner's Book, page number 53. Chapter name is Homes and unit number 4. Our topic is Modal Verbs of Probability, Resources Required, Learner's Book, Activity Book, English Language Notebook, Pencil, Eraser, Sharpener and Scale. Introduction of the lesson. In this lesson, we will revise the concept of modal verbs of probability and learn the use of them. Thought of the day. You can't always have a good day, but you can always face a bad day with a good attitude. I repeat, you can't always have a good day, but you can always face a bad day with a good attitude. Objectives of the lesson. We will revise the concept of modal verbs. We will understand the use of modal verbs. And we will create new sentences of modal verbs. Modal verbs of probability. Modal verbs of probability are used to express an opinion of the speaker based on information that the speaker has. Modal verbs of probability: might, could, must, can't. Now, we will learn the use of them. Might. We use could to say that something is possible but not certain. For example, the sky is cloudy. It might rain today. Second word is could. We use could to say that something is possible but not certain. For example, if we don't hurry, we could be late. Must. We use must to show we are sure something is true, but we have reasons for our belief. For example, you haven't eaten all day. You must be hungry. Last word is can't. We use can't or cannot to say that something is impossible. For example, you cannot be serious. Work to do. Dear students, now you have learned the use of modal verbs of probability. Now you have to create 2 sentences of each modal verbs and do it in neat notebooks. It means you have to create total 8 sentences and you have to do this work in your neat English language notebooks. Thank you.